Testing, testing, testing. Hold on, let me get everything set up. I have to alert my Telegram group. So we are live a few days before Christmas, so Merry Christmas. I usually go live at 7 p.m., but there's football on tonight, so I want to go live before that. And yeah, hopefully y'all are having a great weekend. I'm just going to pin this really quick, and then we're going to get started. We're going to look at the Fair and Greed Index, and then with that being said, let me just make sure sound one more time is doing good. Testing, testing, testing. So, all right. The Fair Greed Index right now we are still in greed, so I think that's the same as what it was on Wednesday when we looked at this a few days ago, and I'll be back live on Monday for our next live stream. But yeah, that's what we're looking at right now. We are in greed, so be cautious. So just a trade recap. I got stopped out of this trade. I made a little bit of money, got in at 1260, got out literally at 1360, and then the other trade we got stopped out of in profit was this one. I took profits on this one around 22, and then I left my initial investment in, but then we got stopped out of that when it came down to 18. We barely got stopped out, but did get stopped out. I did not re-enter, though I probably definitely could have. Now it's trying to retest the highs again up there at 24. We'll see if that happens. That's on Creo Coin. So I did enter a different trade, which is on Luna Classic. Entry at 16.3, stop at 15.85. We'll see how that plays out. Pretty tight stop loss. It might get stopped out here. We'll see. But if you go below the 200 simple moving average on the 15, I'm out of the trade. So that's the only trade I'm in right now. And let's look at Bitcoin and go from there. So Bitcoin right now on the weekly time frame. Let me just record this update really quick. And if you guys have requests for altcoins, let me know in the comment section below. Testing. All right. So looking at Bitcoin right now on the weekly time frame, nothing has really changed from Wednesday, but we are still overbought on the weekly time frame. The 3-day time frame right now is still really looking bullish to me. I talked about this, that it looked bullish to me the other day. 3-day time frame is just getting ready to really move to the upside on the stock RSI. So I'm looking for this to make a move to the upside. The daily time frame is curving, struggling to go up, but I do think we'll still be okay. That's a rounded bottom. Rounded bottoms on the daily chart or on any time frame really are bullish. The 4-hour time frame right now is also bullish, and I would also say the 4-hour time frame short term is in a bull pennant, so that is another good sign. I like what I'm seeing on Bitcoin's 4-hour. Now it's the weekend, so I don't really want anything crazy to happen until Monday, but I don't know if this pennant is going to wait till Monday to play out. If it does go up over the weekend, I would expect a pullback come early next week, but the measure move out of the 4-hour time frame is $46,000, hence why I titled this video 47K primed, because that is the next major resistance, but short-term 46K, that's the measure move. The 1-hour time frame for Bitcoin is overbought at the top of the channel, probably going to come back down to the bottom, so nothing crazy there. 15-minute is ready to bounce. I would expect the 1-hour to get a move to the downside, and then the 4-hour time frame, well, that'll be fine. You know, if the next 4 hours go down, that'll be okay. That's what I'm looking at for Bitcoin short term, a move to possibly to 46K. It doesn't look like it's either gonna break to the downside or upside before Monday. So I think you're gonna really have a major move in the next 12 hours here on Bitcoin, maybe the next 24, because you are on the 4-hour time frame. But that is getting very close to the end of the pennant. So we're gonna get a big move on Bitcoin here in the next 12 hours. I'm hoping it's to the upside, but if it is to the upside, I would expect some sort of move to the downside come Monday to fill the gap that we would make over the weekend if we do get a big move to the upside. With that being said, guys, that's all I got short term. It does look bullish, but I don't like big moves on the weekends. I'd rather wait till Monday, although I don't know if I can. If you guys have requests for altcoins, let me know in the comment section below, and I'll see you guys in the next video. So Bitcoin does look good, but again, I don't love to see anything crazy happen on the weekends. It just isn't usually a great because then usually on Mondays you have to go back to the downside. Although Monday, I don't think Monday's a holiday. Christmas is on Sunday, so Monday would not be a holiday. Monday's the 26th. So, yeah, that'd be 5. Wait, is that right? I don't think that's right. Christmas is on Monday. So, actually, the market would be open on Tuesday. So, the market's closed Mondays. Yeah, so I don't know. We'll see what happens. So, if we do get a big move up on Monday, it would still make a gap because the stock market is not open until Tuesday. So that's just something to also remember. But anyways, my guess is we get a move before Tuesday. So and it looks like it's 68% chance that it goes to the upside. So we'll see what happens. If that does happen, altcoins will move. I know the total market cap wants to go up for crypto, so it would be my guess that we get a move to the upside maybe before Christmas Eve on Bitcoin. We'll see what happens. The whole market might bounce pretty hard here to the upside for this holiday weekend. So thank you for the follow, Russell, and that's what I'm looking at for Bitcoin. Just wanted to do a quick recap. Monday, I usually go live Monday, but Monday is Christmas, so my guess is actually I'm going to move my live stream to Tuesday of next week at 7 p.m. Central Time. That's what I'm going to do so that I can spend time with my family. But yeah, so just make a note of that, guys. If you guys have requests for altcoins, let me know in the comments section below, and I will look at them. I know it's a little early from when I usually go live, but I do appreciate if you hit the likes. It does help support the channel. Join the Telegram group. It is free to join. We have about 52 people in there right now, and yeah, a link to join that is in my description on TikTok. So let's go back and look at Luna Classic because that's a trade I'm in right now. So I'm basically playing this as long as it holds the 200-day simple moving average on the 50-minute time frame, which is that thick yellow line, I'll stay in the trade. And actually, I have my stop loss right here from where this last local low was on the 15-minute time frame, around 15.85. If it loses that, I'll be stopped out of the trade. And I'm just trading this on spot. We'll see what happens. But my measure move on the higher time frames for Luna Classic is all the way. Let me just adjust this really quickly. My measure move is roughly 36. I have this yellow line up here because I would be conservatively taking profits around 33, but you could obviously do it at 35 or at 30, whatever you want to do. I think 33 is conservative enough, or you could even take profits. This might not be a bad area to take profits right here if you take the trade at 28 because that was your last local high, and then take half profits here and still have your stop loss in, and if it hits 36, which is the measure move that I have, then you could take the rest of the profits. I don't know. But anyways, that's what I'm looking at for Luna Classic right now. It's a move to the upside on the 4-hour time frame. If Bitcoin gets the move to the upside, I would assume Luna Classic will as well. Plus, the total market cap in crypto is looking bullish to me, so that's what we're looking at for that. So I just want to do a quick video on that. Nothing crazy tonight, but also this is the Bitcoin dominance chart. I don't usually look at this, but this looks bullish to me. You could say that this is in a bull pennant. You could also say that this is a cup and handle, which here would be your cup, and then you'd want to see some sort of handle form, which you could really have a cup and handle in the bull pennant. So that really means that Bitcoin dominance is going to continue to the upside, and altcoins might go sideways or up a little bit, but Bitcoin will continue to move to the upside. And if this chart's bullish, that usually means Bitcoin is going to make a move to the upside again, and we'll see what happens. But yeah, that's what I'm looking at for right now. You have a cup and handle in a bull pennant. This also suggests Bitcoin wants to make a move to the upside, and yeah, that would be really bullish. So I do believe move is coming for Bitcoin here sometime this weekend. And I don't think it's going to wait till Tuesday. So I think Bitcoin sees 46K before Tuesday happens. That's just my prediction. Technically, yeah, today's Saturday, so the markets are closed today anyway. So the markets will be closed for 3 days straight, but that's what I'm looking at for the market. If you guys have a request for altcoins, let me know in the comment section below. Otherwise, with that being said, I'll be back live on Tuesday at 7 p.m. Central Time. And that's kind of all I got. If there's no requests, then I just want to do a quick update. And yeah. I'm going to post this really quick on my YouTube channel, this Bitcoin video, and that's kind of what I got. If there's no requests, there's no requests, whatever. Alright, I'm just going to post this really quick, and then I guess that's it. I don't know. I just want to come on here, talk about my Bitcoin prediction for the next few days, and then also my trade. And I guess we went through all that. So Bitcoin setting up nicely for 46K. And then we can choose a thumbnail. Alright, I'm going to end the stream now, guys. See you guys on Tuesday at 7 p.m. Central Time for our next live stream. Alrighty, guys. Just going to do an end screen really quick on this. And I guess that'll be a pretty quick stream, but that's all I got. I don't know why it says average view duration 10:33, but it says no one's watching. So maybe that's wrong. Maybe people are watching. I don't know what's going on. I'll see you guys on Tuesday for our next live stream. In case anyone replays this, now we got one person watching, so I don't know. I don't know what's going on. I don't know how accurate that is, but either way, I'll see whoever watches this on replay on Tuesday at 7 p.m. Central Time for our next live stream. I'm not doing Monday because it is Christmas Day. I'll see you guys next week. Have a good weekend, y'all, and I do expect Bitcoin to pump this weekend. We'll see what happens, though.